have this. I'm going to do a recording and let you summarize what we talked about. Can you see my screen?
Yes po, TM.
So basically why I ask you that, it's because we monitor the attendance of all teachers. So as you can see here, it's cancellations and lateness, daily tracker. So marami yan. You see?
Po.
You see the different sheets?
Yes.
Okay. So as you can see here, from just the lateness, hinighlight ko na. Actually, meron ka na dito, Teacher Nichelle.
Yes po.
Verbally, I told you you should be able to manage your time. Ito yung
Yes
BSRO,
po.
di ba? O lateness pa rin. Lateness because you
Bi
were in the previous class, right?
yes po. Yes
So
po.
you actually have 1 and 2.
Yes po.
You failed to check the AM schedule. This was when
Yes.
you were still new, June.
Yes.
So
Yes.
nakailang ka nito? 1, 2, and then let's not count this because this one is disputed. This one was you were sick,
Yes.
but this is the third.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the third. This is the fourth. This is the fifth.
The fifth.
I actually need to send you for the latest already because it's a lot.
Yes.
Okay, ikaw yung pinakamarami dyan. And also, I'd like to show you this one. And it's also shown in the system that during the 9th, you haven't been starting. Pag titingnan mo dito, all the lateness can be checked in class quality here. Class quality. Number of lessons. These ones are the cancellations. And ito, yung blue. Class quality report. If you click that, and I'm looking at 7-9, you see that you have a lot of here. These are the classes that didn't start 3 minutes before the time. Ganito siya nag-appear. You see this? May late ka ng 7-9, tapos 4 of your classes did not start. Kasi during the orientation, I told you, start 3 minutes before the time, right?
Yes.
So 4 of your classes didn't start 3 minutes before the time. It's less than 2 minutes. So basically, teacher, you're really not following SOP.
Yes po.
So kaya, pag ang teacher maraming time na hindi siya nagsa-start 3 minutes before the time, there's more likelihood that you can be late. Just what happens this 7-9.
Yes po.
Okay? So I ask you if you wanna file a leave, you said no. But we also do not want this scenario.
Yes po.
You see? Do you know why we are doing this? Based on our previous meetings? Kasi basically, teacher, meron ka namang penalty, right? When it's
Yes po.
when you are late. But why?
Mhm.
Why we are so strict about this?
Maybe because yung student po is pwedeng mag-complain or something.
That's one. So you remember that we are an online education platform, and it's a scheduled class. So you can imagine when you keep your students waiting, and you can imagine if we are not strict, how many teachers will be doing this? If we have 500 teachers, how many students will be affected in one whole day classes of the teachers? So how many students will be affected? And Who else will be affected apart from students?
Yung, I think you po as a TF,
How am I affected?
because we are under your care, your management.
Mm. And so in as much as you have already you have on the fifth lateness or tardiness since June, right? And then, oh, okay lang. Diba? Okay lang. I don't call you out. What else? Who else is affected?
Yung company po.
Company, yes, because it's the company. Yes, sabihin, mga teachers dyan late. Notoriously late. Who else?
Ako po.
Ikaw din, right? How are you affected?
Ano po, parang, yung trust po ng student sa akin is parang
Yes.
magle-lessen po siya.
Aha. Is it just the trust?
Yung um, quality po, teaching po.
Quality, yes. Professionalism.
Yes po.
The hallmark of one's professionalism is the your
Effective.
attendance. Lateness is an attendance issue.
Yes.
And who else? Meron pa. Teacher, student is already waiting. Sino yun?
Yung TA po.
TA. And there are many TAs.
Yes po.
See. So, 5 ang affected.
Oo.
Every time you fail to be on time in your class, that's why I'm reiterating that it's important that, yes, you can open as much as you want, but please keep the class quality by not being late, complete on time, and etc. Okay, I know there are some of these things that can happen, but there are things that you could do, right? Such as filing a leave. So we don't have this data from the 9th of July. So maybe half of the day, final mo yung leave. So you can ask TA, it's typhoon today, and I hope to fix my things first because everything is in a mess. So I really cannot concentrate on my classes or keep the class quality. Then we don't have this. Diba? So, ang mangyayari lang nun, Teacher Nichelle, is if you ask for a leave, magpa-file ka ng leave, tapos magka-cancel ka ng class, and then you can dispute it. Diba I mentioned to you during the interview that here, apart from the salary, you can dispute especially the, like natural disasters, just like the typhoon.
Yes.
Okay, so those are the things that you could do. Hindi yung parang scrambling ka, like you're so helpless, but there are things you could control. Let's go here. In as much as in the system, there's no late dispute yet. That's why
Yes po.
I said, can you see the late dispute drive?
Yes po.
Okay, so I told you when you're not really late, you disputed it. In DingTalk, you send it to me, class details, and I'll be needing this screenshot. Because why?
Yes.
If it's just here and I'll get it here, there are times that it's not so clear, you know. So I have this already, right? In DingTalk.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
This one you can dispute. Bakit? Kasi you entered 2 minutes ahead of time.
Yes.
I saw it here. Yeah,
Mhm.
you entered 2 minutes ahead of time. 12:58. Is it? Is it 12:58?
I
Tama ba
think
yung
that's not
screenshot?
mine po. Hindi po akin.
Michelle?
Charles.
Ito.
Opo. Yung
Pero
screenshot po, hindi akin.
Charles. Okay,
Opo.
so kaya pala 12 to. Ito is okay.
Yan.
Just make sure in Ding Talk your screenshot is correct.
Yes po.
That you entered at least 2 minutes before the
Mm.
class time. This one is
Opo.
okay. Pwede
Mm.
mo siyang ma-dispute. I'll file this for you. But
Opo.
then, okay, let me, paano ko
Ayan
na babalik to?
Bumaba po kasi yung iba nag-overlap.
Actually, I really don't accept screenshots here. Kasi magulo. Nag-overlap and all that. So, dito siya siguro. Ako na siya dyan. So, if you entered 2 minutes before the time, I can file this as a dispute, late dispute.
Yes.
Okay, but this one, you filed it here. But you're really late. I entered class 2 minutes late.
Mhm.
And then this one too, I was late ng
Mhm.
18 minutes. You're really
Mm.
late. So you should not dispute it. You get it?
Yes po.
Pagka late ka talaga, reason and solution plan, yung ginawa mo kanina.
Opo.
Okay? So ito yung 9, tsaka ito yung 11.
Yes po.
Ang i-dispute mo lang yung hindi ka talaga late, pero there are 2 recordings. Let's say you
Yes po.
re-entered. So that you can
Yes
do.
po.
That you can do. And then yung screenshot would be showing that you entered 2 or 3 minutes earlier. And then you can have another one, yung nag-re-enter ka. You
Opo.
get it?
Yes po.
So, alam mo kung saan mo kukuhanin yung recording, yung nag-re-enter
Yes.
ka?
Yes
Okay.
po.
So that's it. And then, were you the one who's asking me what will be the penalty for multiple lateness?
I think so, ma'am. I don't remember.
Yeah, you don't remember. Well, actually, for the first 2 tardiness, there's no penalty. Pero
Mm.
3 to 4 tardiness, meron ng penalty. 0.5 NL deduction. So makikita mo siya sa payslip already na meron kang deduction on tardiness.
Mm.
We don't want you to have deduction. We don't want you to be late.
Yes.
Okay. So actually, pagka cancellation, you see if there's multiple cancellations, meron na ditong masa-stop ET na si teacher. Stop ET, excessive cancel. Tapos may mga warning na dyan, termination. For
Sino
tab,
po yung nag-cancel? Sa excessive cancels, ako po ba, yung teacher po ba or yung student?
teacher to lahat.
Okay.
Teacher to lahat. Kasi pagka student naman ang nag-cancel, you're compensated. It's in the enrollment information.
Yes.
Sige.
Tapos-
Wait lang
tapos-
Before ka magtanong, wait a minute. There's no negative feedback, cancellations. There are like, I have some records of, like this one, Teacher Nichelle, because your classes are like gaining popularity, right? So I have here a file of negative feedback. Anong mga kailangan? If you want to know what are the negative feedback or cancellations, I can send you, I can share you the drive if you are
Okay.
interested. Okay,
Okay.
please. What's your question?
Yung 3 minutes before po ng class, di ba doon po yun sa mag-enter ka sa VooV?
Yeah, pag start, click start. So,
Yes po.
automatically, di ba magre-record si Booth?
Apo.
So, dun ngayon mo makikita, pagka play mo yung class recording, anong oras ka nag-start,
Apo.
nag-play ng Booth.
Apo. Tapos I was wondering din po if like di ba I entered 3 minutes before nung class. And then andun na po si student 3 minutes before the class din po. Is it okay po na if andun na siya, hindi ko muna siya i-admit?
Yeah, kasi that's the reason of the waiting room.
Oh, okay.
Di ba meron kang enable waiting room?
Yes.
Yeah, kasi as you enter, kunwari hindi ka pa ready, right? You entered
Yes po.
your booth, ire-ready mo yung notes mo, ire-ready mo yung, yung camera, etc. There are things you need to do before
Mhm.
starting the class, before admitting the student. So on the dot, you can admit the student.
Okay. So like for example po, pumasok po ako sa like I have 6 o'clock or 6 p.m. na class. So I will enter po at let's say 5:55. Can I turn off my camera po during the waiting time?
Again, can you repeat the question?
Okay. Example po, I have a class at 1800s. And then pumasok po ako nung 17:55. Can I turn off my camera during the time po na nag-enter ako?
Yeah. No cam, no
Sound.
muted.
Mm,
Because hindi
okay
pa
po.
start yung class eh.
Mm.
It's best that walang nakikita. You just entered.
Okay.
So
Kasi
even if the student is waiting, hindi pa naman class time eh.
kaya nga po. Kasi nagwo-wonder po kasi ako if sabi ko if i-a-admit ko siya, anong gagawin namin for the remaining
Waiting
na time
time.
na opo. So,
There are some teachers who start the class, but
immediately po.
it can confuse you. Kasi
Mm.
kunwari, as you said, you will be admitting on the 55th minute. There's 5 minute
Mm.
waiting time.
Yes.
Eh, paano kung bilangin mo yon, yung 5 minutes na yon that you started early as part of the main class? Malito ka.
Mm.
Kasi if you entered 3 minutes before the time, so basically you will end the class on the 53rd minute. So
Mm.
if you entered 5 minutes earlier, so you will end 55th minute. That will complete the 50-minute class. Kasi
Mm.
yung 5 minutes yon na nag-enter ka, waiting time lang yon.
Mm.
So minimum yon. So 53rd or 55th minimum time. Okay? So
Okay.
baka kasi isipin mo mag-end ka ng 50th. Di under time ka. Kasi you entered 3 or 5 minutes earlier.
Hindi na siya isama dun, of course.
Yeah,
Kasi
because that's
50.
just waiting time. You admit the student on time. Kung,
Mhm.
let's say 5 o'clock class, you admit the student on time, 5 o'clock. You
Mhm.
end at the earliest, 5:50.
50. Yes po.
Pero wag mong bibilangin yung waiting time mo. So kung
Opo,
nag,
di kasama.
so in general, if you enter 3 minutes before the time, so 5:53.
Yes.
At the
Noted.
very least that you stay with the student. Kasi pag under time ka, pwedeng it can cause negative feedback.
Mhm. Yes po. Noted po. Kasi yun po yung wino-wonder ko kasi minsan sabi ko, ano, i-a-admit ba 'to or hindi? Kasi hindi pa time. So, usually ina-admit ko na siya like 2 minutes or 1 minute before ng class.
Yeah, as
And then
long
yun
as
po.
you don't count the early time that you're with the student.
Yep.
Yeah, sasabihin mo na I admitted you early, tas we ended early.
Mm.
Because that can also cause confusion and it can cause complaint. Kasi you ended kunwari, 1 minute earlier may admit, tapos 1 minute earlier ka rin
Yeah.
nag-dismiss.
Yes po. Mm,
Ganon.
okay po. Tapos po, you mentioned a while ago po na, 'di ba, we can file a leave on the day mismo, like nung na-late ako nung 9 kasi nga dahil sa typhoon. So, like for example, may klase po ako ng 9 o'clock and then, parang feel ko po na mali-late ako. Can I file a leave on the day mismo po ng
Due to emergency, yes. Only
hmm,
due to emergency.
so ifa-follow ko lang po yung procedure na gano'n nung sinend ko po sa inyo na mga things to do like
Actually,
screenshot.
kasi the thing is, if you will be canceling the class, what's the SOP for canceling a class?
Hmm.
Sabi mo 9 o'clock, tapos emergency, magfa-file ka ng leave for the 10 o'clock class.
Mhm.
Oh, so ano ngayon yung SOP for cancellation?
Yung mag-click po dun sa ano, sa class mismo.
Hindi No, no.
Kasi po 'di ba yung SOP po natin
Magka-cancel ka
sa
ng klase. Magka-cancel ka ng class. Sinong dapat makaalam?
si TM, si TA po.
TA. TA muna.
Ah.
TA muna
Ah,
kasi 10 o'clock na eh. So,
mm.
di ba dapat advance cancellation?
Opo.
So, TA muna, TA, 10 o'clock. So, class details, reason. I'd like to cancel this class due to emergency, blah, blah, blah. I have,
Okay.
so make like a little, give more details to the emergency, wag general. Ganon.
Okay po.
So,
Ah,
ngayon, kung na-cancel na, thumbs up na si TA, di wala nang 10 o'clock class.
mm,
So, inform me that you will be filing a leave because, yun nga, there's some mess going on
mm,
right now.
oh, mm. Okay po. Kasi nung time po na tinanong mo ko, nag-isip po ako if ika-cancel ko, parang sabi ko, hindi ako nag-follow ng SOP kasi dapat 'di ba 3 day 3 Sundays. Kaya naisip ko typhoon yun, eh. So,
Hindi,
sige na lang
pag
male-late na lang ako.
emergency, paano mo mapa-file ng 3 Sundays ahead? Napaplan ba yung typhoon? Hindi, di ba? I
Po.
think, I think, I don't know during your time if I mentioned that you can dispute the cancellation. So, basta meron ka lang na announcement, dated announcement. Kunwari 9, right? So, 7-9, meron kang dated announcement, nag-cancel ka, pwede mong i-dispute yung penalty nun. So, nag-emergency cancellation ka, so that's probably TEC, yeah? Teacher
Mm,
Emergency Cancel. Tapos
mhm.
ka na ba sa day-to-day 3 skills?
Yes po.
So,
Dun sa
yun, dinidiscuss yun, right?
yes po.
So, ganon. TEC, you have penalty but it can be waived. Doon mo ngayon siya i-file. Kasi yung dispute, di ba, katabi ng OT dispute.
Opo,
TEC,
opo.
TNC. Doon mo
Mm.
siya i-file. So, pag nawala na sa schedule mo, doon na sa classes. Yun siguro yung sinasabi mo, pipindot ka doon.
Opo,
But
yun.
then, all cancellations should be through TAGC.
PA. So,
Yun
for
na
example po,
dispute na
if
yung sinasabi mo. Mm.
for example po, nagsabi na po ako kay TA na like, I will be canceling this class, let's say 10 o'clock po. Tapos, after ko mag-file, pipindutin ko pa po pa yung TEC doon sa class or
Yung,
hindi na?
yung sinasabi mong pipindutin sa system, that's a dispute.
Mm.
Dispute yun eh. Pag ready ka na mag-file ng dispute mo, kasi nga may emergency ka, di attend to
Okay
your
po.
emergency.
Mm.
Attend to your emergency. Kasi kung nagkalat nga doon sa lugar mo, ganun. Di ayusin mo muna yon. So, but then you make sure na na-cancel mo yung mga classes na dapat mong i-cancel. Kasi alam nga namang isa-isahin mo pagdating ng 11, cancel ka ulit. Pagdating ng 12, cancel ka ulit. Aba, isahin mo na. O, di ba?
Sige po. So, first things first po kay TA.
TA. TA kasi involved yung student. Tapos later na sa akin. Tapos dispute na. Pagkatapos mo na mag-file ng leave. Actually, pwede rin naman yung ginawa mo na tinawid mo yung classes. Pero
Mm.
dapat yun nga, class quality pa rin. Should be
Kaya
there.
nga po.
So, kaso, tinan mo, inabot ka pa ng 11. Meron ka ng late
Kaya
ng
po,
9, meron ka pang late ng
ng
11.
11.
So, basically, you hit the thing, why am I affected, apart from what we discussed? You also hit the team's data. Our task completion. Every time teacher cannot complete a class properly, just like BSROT, or may mga cancellations or mga lateness, it means the teacher under my team couldn't complete the tasks properly. So yung task completion rate, boom, bababa. And also that's my primarily my data that I cannot control. The teachers under my team.
So, another last question na po.
Mm.
Yung sa record po na like, I have 4 lates and for this month lang po ng July. Magre-refresh po ba yung record niya sa next month? Like, will it be back to zero?
I have to check if it's a monthly thing, but then yung sa pinakita ko sa'yo kanina na
Parang may sabi na 0 to 4, 0 to 2,
because
and then
like
3 to
this
4.
one, if we talk about this one, yung cancellation, this one is the whole thing. Verbal
Yes po.
warning, pinakauna,
Opo.
stop ET, verbal warning, written warning, termination, tapos na.
Hmm.
So pagdating sa tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. Pagdating sa lates, stop ET, saan na ba yung lates? Ito,
And,
penalties for the latest. Mm,
10 times per month.
you're asking if it's like every month or it can be
Yes po.
renewed. Actually, in general, all of this, we give one last chance for the teacher. The question is, can you still resolve the problems or not? That's the main question. So just like yours, you're on your fifth. Then I'll be giving you a memo for the tardiness that you cannot control, right? Because the thing is, may confusion ba? Naiintindihan ba ni teacher ang SOP? Is there a confusion? Kung walang confusion, bakit nalilate pa rin si teacher? Knowing that pwede siya mag-file ng leave, knowing that pwede siya mag-cancellation dispute, bakit late pa rin siya? Despite the, as you said, it's a valid reason. So, then magva-verbal warning ako sa'yo. This is a verbal warning. But, paano kung may fifth? Paano kung may sixth? Ang tanong ko sa'yo, kaya mo bang masolve ang problema mo? O hindi? Yun lang hindi. Wag mo nang asamin pa na monthly ba nagre-renew tong 10 ng 10 ng 10. No. Let's not talk about that. Let's talk about can you resolve it or not? Because magsasuffer ang team. Magsasuffer din ako if you keep on doing it.
Yes po.
It means I cannot handle you.
Kasi po parang gusto ko po kasi nga parang peace of mind.
Isang buwan, noong una sabi mo gusto mo maraming klase. So, I mean, ano ba talaga ate ang gusto mo? Madaming klase, maraming pera, that's why you are here? Or gusto mo magpahinga talaga? Because too much too soon.
Kaya po. Kasi parang kasi naisip ko na, 5 na yung late ko ngayon. Paano 'pag dumagdag? Parang yun po yung, papasok po sa isip ko. Na parang yun
Kaya
bad
nga
record
tayo
na ako.
may SOP. Kaya tayo may SOP. It means you enter the class, mag-auto-record ang move mo. So, regardless what happened, after the 3 minutes, you enter, right?
Yes
Eh
po.
di may record na si Move na nag-enter ka.
Mm.
So kung anong mangyari, whether magkaroon ng power disconnection, internet outage, you can dispute it, Teacher Michelle.
Kaya nga
Bakit?
po.
Kasi nag-stick ka sa SOP. Enter if you want 5 minutes before the time, fine. 5 minutes.
Yes po.
Di may proof ka na hindi ka late.
Kaya nga po.
Eh kaya lang late ka talaga eh. Late ka
Opo.
talaga. So, even if, let's say, ganito, hello, student, how are you today? I can't hear you. Ganon. So, then you should inform the student, let's re-enter, right? Malalate ka na doon kasi magre-re-enter ka eh. So, ang gagawin mo lang, first recording as you enter, second recording as you re-enter.
Yes po.
So, any of the issues that happens in class, inform TA. Inform student. Ganyan. Sorry, I cannot hear you or something's wrong with my network. I need to reconnect. Inform TA parate. Kasi minsan hindi ka naiintindihan ng student kahit na akala mo nagkakaintindihan kayo, hindi pala. Apologize, inform TA, inform student, ganon. Tapos, how long will you reconnect to your backup? I'm asking you, Teacher Nisha, how long do you reconnect to your backup, whether internet or power?
I think agad naman po. Maybe 5 minutes po yung maximum.
5 minutes.
As
Then,
Opo.
you see that if I'm your student, nakaganon lang ako sa'yo habang ginagawa mo yung 5 minutes na reconnection. It would be best that, okay, student, let's say you're my student. Okay, Michelle, I'm having trouble with my internet. There's like a sudden, uh, how can I say, like it's unstable right now. So,
Yes po.
can you please give me 5 minutes while I fix my reconnection? Then
Yeah.
I'll send a message to TA to call you back again in the meeting.
Yes po.
So, isulat
Ginagawa
mo
ko
yan,
po
ha?
'yan, yep, opo. Actually, ginagawa ko po yung TM kasi po minsan, yun po, thankful din ako sa student ko kasi sinasabi agad kung anong like they will say, "Teacher, I think your internet is not good," parang gano'n. So ayun, sinasabi ko din na, just wait for a few minutes, i-restart ko lang yung ano, and then, "Yes, teacher, I will wait." Gaya po nung student ko po na 17 minutes po talaga siya naghintay kasi ano po yun, parang regular student po siya. Tapos nag-e-enjoy siya sa klase namin. So, maybe
That's
that's the
good.
reason na naghintay talaga siya ng 17 minutes. So ayun,
But
nag-explain
also,
po ako.
Teacher Nichelle, there are times that your backup is not good as well. So,
Yes po,
you also need to ask your student,
yes po.
okay, I have reconnected. Welcome back to the class. How is it now?
Mhm,
Oh, teacher,
mm,
it's still, I cannot hear you well, ganyan. Would you like to proceed or would you like to reschedule the class?
yes
Reschedule
po.
na lang. Kasi
Mm,
pagka ganon, I cannot hear you or parang nagaganon-ganon kayo, sabay kayo
opo,
nag-uusap, so may
mm,
delay, lalo na ngayon maraming bagyo. Then,
mm,
ask the student, would you like to continue the class or just reschedule the class? It depends.
opo,
Kasi yun yung mga marami sa negative feedback. Tinutuloy ni
opo,
teacher yung class kahit na may problema na yung net. Especially now that we can measure the change now in Groove, the
mhm,
enterprise version is that kita na yung up and down ng network.
mm, yes po, 'pag
So
nagi-green sa taas.
don't
Mm,
risk it. Basta
noted po, TM.
unstable, ah, magpa-reschedule ka na lang.
Opo.
Okay, any other questions?
So far wala na po.